Asokoro. So we'll be using a build for Asokoro. Yeah, I think I could not get the AutoCAD, but we just try and look at how we can maneuver things. So, so now, are we all here? Now we'll be talking, so we'll be using this drawing. Sorry for that. So, this our HVAC legend. Like I was saying, the reason why they call it VRF means VRF, you can connect 6 indoor units with 1 outdoor unit. Let me show you what that VRF entails. So I just want us to just picture and visualize it of how it is. Hold on, please. I'm trying to check my archive to see. I have some drawings I got from sites, so it will be useful for us to see how VRF is being done, which is being called variable refrigerant flow and variable refrigerant volume. Either of the two, you can call it VRF or VRV. Either of the two. Now, let me just show us these VRF outdoor units. Let me just take us to some pictures before we start. Now, can you see this big? Can you also see my system?
Yes, sir.
Hello. Now
Yes, sir, we can
you
see you.
can see this big
Yes, sir.
indoor.
Yes, sir. We can see.
You can see this big. Your indoor unit are majorly your ceiling concealed. Or they call it ceiling cassette. There's many VRF also. So many VRF is the way whereby you have to use your ceiling concealed or we call it ceiling cassette. But then that one will still be connected to just one outdoor unit each. Now let me just show us this. Sorry, I'm trying to show us some. Now you can see our ceiling cassette. Can you see my this thing? Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir, we can see you.
Yes, you can see.
Now you can see a ceiling cassette now. This is your ceiling cassette. So this your ceiling cassette has different horsepower and it has its own kilowatt and it has its own specification. Like I was saying last week that we have different brand of AC. We have the Daikin. Daikin is one of the best. Daikin, Hisense, Panasonic. You'll be talking about your media. You'll be talking about your LG. They are good brand when it comes to whereby the consultant, MEP consultant will design for you. That you won't see this 5 brand. While all other brand are just optional. Like your, how will I call it? I can call all of that brand are optional. Your Polystar, your Kenstar, your Tamoku, they're not being used like the 5 brands are specified. Now, this is your ceiling cassette now. This is your ceiling cassette now. So this how it will be. Why it do not be linked up with all other ceiling cassettes. Let's say because then now we are specified, okay, in this floor, I have 12 ceiling cassettes, 6 ceiling cassettes, or 4 ceiling cassettes will be linked up with one outdoor unit. And you can see that you can compare this outdoor unit on this my picture with your normal outdoor unit we are very used to. Am I saying something? Now, let's start now. Now, let's start with our legend. This is our legend. He's our legend. In our legend, he's telling us VRF condensing outdoor unit. We have our scene concealed indoor unit. We have our toilet inline fan. You know, I was telling you that we have air, heat, ventilation system, and air conditioning. Under the AC, we have the AC. Under the heat, we are now talking about your inline fan, your extractor fan. Now, we be seeing something like toilet inline extractor fan, wall extractor fan. We have the supply air grill, exhaust air grill. These are the legends. We have our square supply air diffuser. We have our rectangular return air diffuser. We have our access panel. We have our circular disc valve. We have our flexible duct. We have our AC supply air duct. We have so many things in this legend that we have to pick out of our drawing. Now, I'll be working with a first floor. Let me just say I'll be working with the first floor because first floor is more occupied than the ground floor. This is my first floors. Now, this is my first floor now. Are we there? Hello.
Yes. Yeah, we are here.
It's you, sir.
Now, this is our first floor now. Hold on. Let me now try and open to that legend. Hello. Okay, let me send this drawing to us so that we can both open the legend together. I'm sending to your guys so that you can send it to them so that we can both be on the same page. Sorry. Mr. Sholanke, I've sent the drawing to you. Yes, I've sent the drawing to you. Oh boy, is he online? Or is not online? Mr. Sholanke, are you there? Or Mr. Jami, are you there?
Send it to me, sir.
Okay, let me send it to you. So I've sent it to you. He is loading presently. So let's also put to that legend aspect now. And let's now look at our screen and let's now count. Let's do our normal counting before we now start measuring in linear meter. Because like I was saying last week, we have things we need to measure in linear meter. We have our refrigerant pipe, we have our condensate pipe. Yeah, we also have our for flexible connector. We also have our aluminum foil. What did I mean by aluminum foil? Do you see that area that we have our FCU? You can see our FCU. Can you all see my screen? Where we have our FCU for our concealed ceiling cassette is there. And when your concealed ceiling cassette is there now, it is not operating just using your condensate, I mean our refrigerant pipe alone. There will surely be an aluminum foil. You can see that blue line. Can you see the blue line? That is coming from one of the FCU. Are we there? Please, let's try and respond.
Yes,
so,
sir. Yes,
so
sir.
that we can. Yes. Now let's now start with our measurement. Are we on that legend?
I'm trying to send you drawing, sir.
Are we on the legend? Okay, please try and do so that we can both be on the same page. That we can both be on the same page so that our counting can be right, because we are just doing just only first floor. So it is our first floor. Now, if you are able to measure first one perfectly, so that any drawing you are not dealing with, you can it can be easily measured. Are we there? I think some people has left.
Yeah, with you, sir.
I think I'm seeing 3 people online. It is well.
Drawing is still loading and send it to the group chat.
Are we okay? So let us move by the drawing.
That's sent already.
And okay. Okay, now let's try and open to page 55. And I see that the attendance today is very, 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 very bad. Just 2 people online. It is well. Maybe because he is not a paid one. Maybe that's the reason why they feel like I can join anytime.
I mean, page 55, sir.
But it's just for their own benefit and not my own benefit. Yeah?
I mean, page 55, sir.
Page 55. Can you see the... Now, God bless you. Now let's just take our page. First thing we are dealing with is our what? Ceiling indoor unit. Ceiling concealed indoor unit. How many ceiling concealed indoor unit do we have? You can see them. We have how many? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many do we have?
1, 2, 3, 4.
I have my bill for...
I think it's 6. It's 6 that we have.
Now, let's not forget that we have FCU 4, we have FCU 2, and we have FCU 3. Are you getting me? Because they are of different capacity.
Okay. I think we have an FCU 8 too. We have an FCU 8.
Can you see the screen? We have FCU 2. How many do we have? We have 1, 2. Abi? 2 numbers.
1.
Are we noting that?
Yes, just 2. FCU
2.
Now, we have how many FCU 3 do we have?
FCU 3.
We have 1 and 2. Abi?
Yes.
We have
And we have FCU. So everything is 2, 2, 2.
Yes, sir.
So in this case now,
And 2
we have concealed units. We have 6 numbers of concealed units, 2, 2, 2 of different capacity.
Yes,
now, let's look at this our air diffuser. Did you see your SAD? Are you seeing my SAD under CFM? Can you see it? Are you there? Hello?
Hello, sir.
Are we there?
Yes, we are with you, sir.
I said, did you see on this my drawing where they wrote SAD 1 75 CFM? Are you seeing it?
That's the square supply diffuser. I can see it. SAD1 75.
Yes, God bless you. That is square.
There are 2 on the sides.
Yes. Now let's now count SAD 75 CMF. How many do we have?
In total, 1, 2.
We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 numbers. Abi?
Yes, 10 numbers of SAD1 75 CF.
Yes, sir.
God bless you. Now, Let's now move to our SAD. SAD1, 60 cmf. 60 cmf. How many do we have? We have one. Let me count my own. I already done my own measurements, so I just want to carry us along to know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's just 6 in numbers. Are we getting it?
Yes,
Hello,
sir.
are we getting it?
Yes, sir.
Now, we also have SAD2, 10 cmf. SAD2, 100 cmf. How many do we have? We have 1, 2,
So that
2.
SAD1 60 cmf is more than that number. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, let's count again.
Actually, I
1,
have like
2, 3,
8.
4, 5, 6, 6. You have it like 8.
I think
Let's count again.
we are confusing the SAG
I'm seeing
and
6.
the SAD. So 1, 2, 3, 4.
It's SAD I'm talking about. SAD. SAD is 6 I'm having.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 6.
Okay, 6 numbers. Thank you now.
Yes, sir. Correct.
Now let's now move to our the EAD. EAD 1, 90 cmf. How many do we have? We have 1, 2. EAD. How many do we have? I've already done my own measurement here. Are you getting it? EAD1. How many do we have? We have 1. EAD1. 90 cmf. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So
15.
is it 14 or 15?
Let me count my own from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I'm saying 15.
Yes, 15,
15.
sir. 15 numbers.
Now, we now have EAD2, 110 cmf, where you have 2 numbers. Can you see the 2 numbers? Can you see? We just have 2 numbers.
Yes, sir.
Let's not forget that the EAD means extract air diffuser. Extract air diffuser. Extract air diffuser. That's the short form. Extract air diffuser. Are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
The place you see SAD is supply air diffuser. Are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
Now, let's look at the drawing again. We also have RAG1. RAG1 means return air grills. Can we count them? RAG1, 60 cmf. We have 1, 2, just 2 numbers. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
We also have SAG, return air grills. We just have 1, 2. Abi,
SAG.
are you there? SAG. Return air grew.
After air grew.
Are you there? Because we be doing all the measurements tonight.
We just have
Are you
to.
there?
Yes, we have to of that.
God bless you. Now, we also have WSG 1 30 cmf. WSG 1 30 cmf. How many do we have? We just have one at the lift area. If you look at the lift area, do you see the lift area?
Yes, it's there.
Lift and stairs. God bless you. Now, let's not forget that we also have something called flexible. Sorry. We also have something called Y branch. Do you see something called Y branch?
Where is it located, sir?
Do you see Y branch? Now, look at where you have your FCU, FCU 3, FCU 2, FCU 4. Do you see something like Y there? Do you see? I'm talking about this. Do you see my cursor?
Yes, I can see it, sir.
Yes, that's what they call Y branch. So,
Yes,
how
sir.
many Y branches do we have?
Sir, are you
How
talking
many
about?
Y branches?
Sorry, sir. Are you referring to the mouth that joins to the FCU as the Y branch, sir?
God bless you. Mount to kill more FC. That's what they call Y branch. That mouth that is key to the FCU is what is being called Y branch. Are you there with me?
Yes, we have 6 numbers of that.
God bless you. We have 6 numbers. So what else? Okay, we also have our flexible. We do we have anything like extractor fan here? See, look at this lift area. EWF1 60 cmf. Something is
Yes,
missing there. EWF1 60 cmf. You just have one, Nabi. Just
let's have one.
one we have. God bless you. So now we also have our flexible, something called flexible. Let's go back to your legend. Let's go back to your legend. Look at
Sir,
this legend now.
what of those ones that are lying on the walls that are numbered T1 to T2, T3, T4 up to T14? There is no
Okay,
legend
let me
to
see
indicate
that.
them. There's no legend to indicate them, but they are along the walls.
Which one?
T4,
I've
T4,
not seen it.
T5. The one in purple along the walls, they are placed on the walls. T5, T6.
Purple. I've not seen purple. Okay, I've seen T1, T3, T12, T4, Abi.
Yes, they are up to
So all
12 there.
those one are not mechanical aspects.
Okay.
Are you getting me?
Okay, sir.
They are not mechanical aspects because you to can see that is not in our legend, Abi.
Yes, it's not represented in our legend.
You can see that is not even being mentioned in our legend. Now, let's just try and go to your electrical legend. Let's see what that electrical legend is talking about, that T1 T. I'm coming. I'm just trying to be sure because the legend is not being shown there. You know that sometimes whereby catch that. Okay, let me see. Maybe we can find it in the electrical legend. Can see that the electrical legend is not even saying anything about it. Can we all see? The electrical agent is not
Yes.
mentioning anything about it. So let's just sometimes in electrical agent we must also take care of our isolator also. But that one will be when we get to the electrical part. Now let's look at this thing now. Now we've been able to take care of our equipment, Abi.
Yes,
Abi
sir.
now.
Yes, sir.
Now there's something
Yes,
called
sir.
flexible duct. Look at this area where you have SAD, supply air diffuser. Do you see this form of flexible duct? Can you see this thing?
That particular
The shaded
This
part.
network is bad.
Is it the shaded part?
Yes, if you look at that shaded blue part, so deep by that is very deep.
yes, sir.
Mr. Wana, you are not saying anything.
His
Mr.
network
Solanke,
is
His network
a bit bad.
okay. Now let's look at this shaded blue part that is very deep, that is very close to this our SAD. Can we see it?
Yes, sir.
We can see
Now
it.
it is called flexible. In our legend, it is called flexible what? It is called flexible
Duct.
flexible duct. Can see what I'm talking about?
Flexible
That's
duct.
what is being given to. It is called flexible duct in that area. Now, how many do we have in that area? How many flexible duct do we have in that area?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Okay.
So, looks like,
So we just have 20 numbers, ba?
yes. That's if you don't
We
consider
just
the
have how
last,
many numbers? We just have
it should be 20.
20 on the first floor. Okay, that's good. So we have just 20 numbers of what? Of
Flexible ducts.
flexible ducts. Sometimes, yes, we have, it's not in numbers, you just have to measure it in meters. Usually being measured in meters. Some usually being measured in numbers. No, numbers means based on your experience, you'll have not okay. You just want to make something a composite. Are you there with me?
Yes, sir.
Just want to make something a composite. We're like, okay, this flexible supply air diffuser, how many luma per meter, or how many can I use for this meter? So again, based on you are on site frequently. Are you there with me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, two things outstanding that we need to measure here is your aluminium foil and your what? We have our own refrigerant pipe to measure, and we have our duct work, because that area where you have your where you have all this your FCU, or where you have your EAD, it is called duct. So it is being measured in square meter. Are you there with me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We're with
Okay,
you.
let me just show you a brief, how will I call it? A brief picture, so that you can understand what I'm talking about, so that we won't be confused in this. So you know what I'm talking about now. Hold on, please. I'm trying to load what we explain, what we are talking about Okay, let me share my screen so that you understand what I'm talking about now. Can you see my system now? Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir. We can see your screen.
Now, you can see this here where they wrote diffuser. You can see something called your duct. You can see duct work, Abi.
Yes.
These are the diffuser. Now, these are the ducts. For diode diffuser to work, there must be a duct.
And that duct is covered in aluminum foil.
Can you see the duct? God bless you. It is covered in an aluminum foil and it is measured in square meter. It is measured in square meter. Now, how can we measure it in square meter now? Now, you now go back to your drawing. Okay, I think we need to show more picture. Can you now visualize what I'm trying to talk about? Now, look at this, your duct component. Do you see my duct component?
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, this is what I'm trying to explain. So, this is how it will be linked up to where your diffuser is, or your air grill is, or your SAD will be. Can you see the duct type?
Yes.
You can see that from that main duct, is now branching.
Yes.
Can you see? Now, you see this big duct here is your FCU. While it will now be branching to different SAD, which is your supply air diffuser, return air diffuser, blah, 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 like that. Are you getting my explanation?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can see another one coming from the main duct. You can see the duct insulation now. You can see the duct. So I'm just trying to. You can see it's being made up of aluminum foil. So I'm just trying to give us a pictorial view of how the thing look like. You can see what I'm talking about. So these are your dampers, your diffuser. Your diffuser can come in different shape. Rectangular one, the circular one, and the square one. Now, let's now go to our measurement proper. Let's now go back to our drawing. Can you see my drawing now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, what we are being left to measure here is just our duct work. You can see some are small and some are very what? Some are very big. Abi now this duct work is usually being measured in square meter. How do we measure it in square meter? Let's just try and do small example now, and let me just try and use my plan swift, and let just do small measurements in this case now, so that you understand, okay, what is my duct talking about, so that when I'm sending a small bill to you, actually the bill is just like a payment, because when I was preparing the bill, they didn't allow me to prepare my own payment. BOQ, they were saying it is payment they want, so I have to prepare it in their own format. So I'll just send you just for first floor. Maybe it is picture I'll even send concept. Let me just try and send a pictorial view of the. Okay, let me just speak for the first floor, so that I'll just send it to your guy. Ejema Bino, sorry for that. Sorry, most of these days, if you are working with an engineering company, they will sure want to impose some keywords that it is payment they want. It is payment they want. They don't want. You understand what I mean? Until we until QS now come to their ideology that, okay, Bemen will not be permitted or Bemen will not be allowed in this our system of how things should be done. Are we there? Are we
Yes,
there?
sir.
You,
Yes,
you know that
sir.
engineer are the one dominating the industry, and they will still be telling you that it is Bemen they want based on how they want to. You understand what I mean? Based on pé wọ́n fẹ́ kówó jẹ or they want to embezzle money, you be seeing different law because I was so subjected that we want Bemen, it is Bemen we want, it is Bemen we want, we don't want this. Are you
Sir,
getting it? Okay.
the picture you sent is not clear. The text
Yes,
are
I want to try and send you the bill now. Let me not call it a bill, it is Bemen. So it is what I meant in their system. I just have to adopt because they're my boss. But when I'm preparing my own personal bill, I do my own bill of quantity that is more comprehensive than Bemen. But due to they're my oga, I just have to subject to them because he's an engineering VRF. So I will send you a bill now. We have less than 1 minute. VRF. So let me just send the bill to you before we now log in and do small measurements before we now call it a day because I can't do everything here. We just have to develop ourselves